Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we will discuss about logical operators in Java. So basically, logical operators are used to connect or combine two or more conditions and control the flow of program. This is what the purpose of logical operators. To connect or combine two or more conditions and control the flow of program based on that conditions, right? So the result after evaluating multiple combined conditions will be either true or false. That is what Boolean value. Boolean values. Fine. So we have three logical operators in Java. Basically, we have these three logical AND operator, which is double AND. Sign is double AND. Then we have logical OR operator, two pipes, right? Then we have logical NOT operator, also called as Boolean complement operator. That is what this exclamation mark, right? So these three are the logical operators in Java. But in this lecture, we are going to cover only these two, not this. This I will cover in the next lectures. So because it is also, you know, a unary operator. It is also a unary operator. So I will cover this as a separate topic. Fine, Boolean complement operator. So for now, just focus on logical AND operator and logical OR operator. So the below two are also called as short circuit operators. Which two? Logical and logical OR. Why it is called as short circuit operator? There is a reason. You know why it is called as short circuit operators? There is a reason. These operators exhibit short circuiting behavior, which means that the second operand is evaluated only if needed, right? The second operand evaluation depends. If it is needed, then only, you know, your compiler will evaluate that. Is it clear? That much is clear? Fine. So let's move to the next slide and understand the logical AND operator. Two ampersand sign, right? So this is what the symbol of logical AND operator. Remember this. So what is the syntax? Syntax is like you have to write condition 1, then logical AND operator symbol, then condition 2. Fine. Then this is what the truth table. See, condition 1, condition 2, and then result. So if both the conditions are false, then the result is false. Then false true, result is false. True false, false. True true, true. So by the help of this table, what is the conclusion? It returns true if both the conditions are true. See, here it returns true. And in this case, condition 1 is also true and condition 2 is also true. So it returns true if both the conditions are true. Next, note. So second condition will be evaluated if and only if condition 1 is true. Fine, remember this point. So the second condition is evaluated if and only if the first condition is what? True. Okay, if the first condition is false, then there is no need of evaluation of second condition. It is false only. Fine. So if condition 1 is false, then condition 2 won't be evaluated in the logical AND operator case. Remember this point. Fine. Now let's see one example. I have one example. This example, I have this class, public class, logical AND operator, and it's my main method, public static void main string args. So I have taken two variables, int age is equal to 30, int experience is equal to 8. Fine. So here it is, if age is greater than 18, logical and experience is greater than equal to 2. then print this, you are a pro developer, else print you are in learning phase. So see what happens in this case. There is a condition age greater than 18. So here see int age is equal to 30. So 30 is greater than 18. Perfectly valid, true. It is true. So what we have learned right now, if it is true, you know, if the condition 1 is true, then second condition evaluation is needed. So this evaluation will take place, this evaluation. So experience greater than equal to 2, it means 8 greater than equal to 2. This is what? Perfectly true. 8 is greater than 2, right? So true. So true and true is what? True. So it will print you are a pro developer. Suppose int age is equal to 30 is there. Suppose I have given 17, right, in the age. So is 17 greater than 18? No, false, false. Okay, so if the condition 1 itself is false, then condition 2 evaluation is not required. That is experience greater than equal to 2 is not required, you know. And what will happen, it will directly takes a decision based on this false, and you will get you are in learning phase. This is what actually happens in the case of what? Logical and operator. Is it pretty much clear to you? Fine. Now see this in here, Eclipse IDE. So right click, new class, logical, and operator, public static void main I want in this. So finish it up, and then you will get this, right? I don't want to waste the time. That is the reason I have taken this in this notepad. So this is what we have seen right now, right? This part. Copy this, go to your Eclipse, paste this here, paste it, save it, right click, run as Java application. See, you got, you are a pro developer. Fine, because age is what, 30, and experience is 8. So you are a pro developer. I have already explained this. Fine. Let's move next. Now we have logical OR. So logical OR operator symbol is this. Fine. Now what is the syntax? Syntax is condition 1, then logical OR operator symbol, then condition 2. Fine. So what is the table? See the table. Condition 1, condition 2, and the result. So condition false will return you what? False. False true will return you what? True. True false will return you what? True. Fine. And true will return you what? True. So by analyzing this table, what is the conclusion? It returns true if any one of the condition is true. Any one of the condition is true, then it will return me true. Fine. So note, see, second condition will be evaluated if and only if the condition 1 is false. If the condition 1 is false, then only second condition evaluation is required. Because if in the second condition evaluation case, if you will got true, then the overall result will be true. And if in the second condition evaluation, if you will get false, so false and false will give you what? False. So in this case, it depends upon the second condition evaluation. That is the reason second condition will be evaluated if and only if condition 1 is false. Now if condition 1 is true, then condition 2 won't be evaluated. It is not required. Fine. Now let's see an example based on this. See, I have one variable, character gender is equal to small m character. Okay. So in such cases, you have to use this logical OR. So if gender is equal to small m, or if gender is equal to capital M, your gender is male. Small m or capital M means same, na? The gender is male. Fine. Gender is what? Male. So in such scenarios, you have to use what? Logical or. Logical or operator. So see what will happen. Gender is equal to small m. So here it, what happens after evaluation, you got what? True. So if it is true, if the condition one itself is true, then this evaluation will not take place. This evaluation will not take place, and you will get the output without evaluating this. That is, gender is male. Fine. Is it clear? So this is what the second example. If you want to see, let me show you in this Eclipse. So right click, new, then class. Okay, sorry. Yeah. In this package I want, na. So right click, new, then class. So here, what is my class name? Logical or operator. Logical or operator. Fine, I want the main method in this because I want to run this individually, and I have copied this code also here. So take this. Fine. So paste here. You can type. You have to type this. Don't do a copy paste. Okay, how can you do a copy paste? I'm not sharing this, right? So right click and then run it. Run as Java application. See, you got gender is male. So only this evaluation, condition one evaluation will take place, and this will give you the true. That is the reason second evaluation is not going to take place. Fine. So this is what the logical or and logical and. I hope this much is pretty much clear to you. Remember this point, when the second condition will be evaluated and when not. Fine, you should take care of these things. Now, one more point I want to share. One important point. This both the operators are applicable only for boolean but not for integral types. So for example, if you are going to do like this, system.out.println 4, then 2 and means logical and 5, then you know what you will get? You will get a compile time error. You will get compile time error. This error, bad operand types for binary operator. This first type is what? Int. Second type is what? Int. You are not allowed. These operators are applicable for booleans, not for integral types. Remember this point. If you want to show, let me show you. I have in notepad this operators. See, I have this example also already ready. Now I'm going to this cmd and compile. See, after compilation, bad operand types for binary operator, this, right? So it is not allowed. It is applicable only for the boolean. So this is all about logical and logical or operator in Java. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the further updates.